This is a review of the True Fresh Coffee Machine Cleaner tablets. I live in the desert and have hard water, so I was looking for a product that could effectively treat calcium, limescale, and hard water buildup. These will work for single and multi-cup drip machines. They're compatible with most major brands such as Nespresso, Keurig, DeLonghi, and more. There are 24 tablets per pack. So the instructions say to add 1 tablet to the main reservoir of the coffee maker, run the machine, then let it run again with plain water. You can see when you drop the tablet into the water that it immediately goes to work. I have a dual Keurig maker with a single cup and a drip carafe, so I'm going to do this process twice. First, I'll do the single cup side, running it through twice. Now I'll fill the reservoir up completely again, add another tablet, and run a full pot through with the solution. Now that both sides are done, I'll fill the reservoir with plain water, run it through, and that will complete the process. This was an easy process, and I'm looking forward to doing this on a regular basis and keeping my Keurig running well. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.